not mega tight. So basically, when removing this bottom bolt from the rear shock absorber, it'll hit the spring. That's why I compress the spring slightly, so that I can slide the bolt out. Otherwise, you'll have to either contend with this bottom pinch bolt here and loosen up that bolt up there, which is a eccentric bolt. No, it has an eccentric washer on it, so that affects the camber of the wheel. So we don't want to have to realign it, and that looks rusty as heck in there. So by just compressing the spring slightly, we're able to get the entire shock absorber out without removing the spring at all. Hard to focus today because it's so sunny. Look at that mess. There's a special tool for this. It's like a 2-part socket that you used to get these off, but you don't strictly speaking need it, but it does make the job a lot easier. So I know you saw the grips on the top. I also had a pair down here on the piston, and once that nylock part is past the top of the thread, it should come off pretty easily. And there we have it. Now we can remove the top mount. Not going for factory fresh, but it is good to clean these things up. That bump stop actually isn't in as bad condition as I thought that it was. It's still not great though. But in any case, we can't get one today. It needs to be fixed today, so we're going to reuse this one. So slide that down there. There we go. That just stops there. Keep all of the muck out of the threads here. These doesn't really see, there's a little dust cap that will go on the top here. Doesn't see much weathering, but we're going to give it a load of copper grease anyway. Make sure that if we ever have to take it off again, it comes off nice and easy. Now we'll just gently wind on that nut. There we go, good as new.